Hi, this is Angry Bird Lover 559.
Good night.
And my name is Jay.
Good night.
Like your name is Jay.
Yeah.
Get out of here, Jaden. Jaden, leave. Okay, so today I'll be showing you Angry Birds Space Orange Birds.
Da 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 da.
Psych. They're really fake. Oh.
Paper.
They're just paper.
Watch this.
They're really paper.
Da 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 da.
They're really just paper. But I decided to make a space orange bird. This is how I predict it will look. It's cool thing and it's
It was
Saturn.
my idea. And my name was No, it was actually mine.
It was actually mine because I said we should make the space orange bird.
Yeah.
Shush, Jaden.
Since I was the orange bird, I said,
Okay.
why no space orange bird? And you guys said no.
Well, anyway, like I was saying, this is the space orange bird. All we did was use yellow paper, black paper to make
paper.
no, and to make the
It's a good
space orange bird.
Black.
Space orange
And
bird.
black.
Shush, Jaden.
It says black.
And anyway, this is also yellow and black paper. All right, well, this is my space
I'm gonna wet
plushie.
everybody.
Not really. My not so space Angry Bird Orange Bird plushies. They're just really the original space. I mean, the original orange bird, but only it's. So anyway, subscribe.